In the fiercely competitive landscape of Amazon, where millions of products vie for attention, strategic product positioning can make or break your success. It's not just about having a great product, it's about ensuring that your product stands out amidst the noise and captures the attention of your target audience. AMZ Product Launcher understands the significance of strategic product positioning and provides sellers with the tools and techniques to optimize their listings for maximum visibility and conversion. Here's how. Keyword optimization. AMZ Product Launcher conducts in-depth keyword research to identify the most relevant and high-converting keywords for your product. By strategically incorporating these keywords into your product title, bullet points, and description, your listing becomes more discoverable to potential customers. Competitor analysis. Understanding your competitors is key to positioning your product effectively. AMZ Product Launcher conducts comprehensive competitor analysis to identify gaps in the market and opportunities for differentiation. By highlighting your product's unique selling points and addressing pain points left unattended by competitors, you can carve out a distinct niche for your offering. Enhanced product imagery. Visual appeal plays a crucial role in capturing the attention of online shoppers. AMZ Product Launcher offers guidance on optimizing your product imagery to showcase its features and benefits effectively. From high-quality images to lifestyle shots and infographics, compelling visuals can enhance your product's perceived value and drive conversions. Strategic pricing. Strategies. Pricing is a key factor influencing purchasing decisions on Amazon. AMZ Product Launcher assists sellers in implementing strategic pricing strategies to maximize profitability while remaining competitive in the marketplace. From dynamic pricing algorithms to promotional offers and discounts, pricing optimization is integral to effective product positioning. Continuous optimization. The Amazon marketplace is dynamic, with trends and algorithms constantly evolving. AMZ Product Launcher provides ongoing support to sellers, helping them adapt to changes and optimize their product positioning strategies accordingly. Whether it's adjusting keywords, refining product descriptions, or updating pricing strategies, continuous optimization is essential for maintaining a competitive edge. Effective product positioning is essential for success on Amazon, and AMZ Product Launcher equips sellers with the tools and expertise needed to stand out in the crowded marketplace. By leveraging advanced techniques such as keyword optimization, competitor analysis, enhanced product imagery, strategic pricing, and continuous optimization, sellers can elevate their Amazon listings and drive sustainable growth. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.